Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special, oh boy, Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and you'll get this in no time. See what other goodies they have also. Just got to click the link down below. Check them out. And if you like this item, add it to your cart. Check out now, and they'll ship this to you really fast. So hopefully everyone's safe. And so far, yeah, we're moving along. This year, let's see what's inside. Oh yeah, here we go. Alright. Oh boy. We got something in here. I'm going to put you guys down for a second and grab it out of the box. Hold on one sec. Holy moly. Now this is a biggie. We got, where's it coming from? I'm not sure yet. We'll find out. 12-inch dual ring light. Selfie ring light with tripod stand. Look at this thing. Thing's a beast. You can hold 2 phones and a tablet. I got my 2 iPhones there. I might grab one of those tablets over there. So we shall see how this sets up. Of course, you guys can get one now. For Android, iPad, iPhone. Here's the back. But it'll be in the description what company this is. We got 360 lighting. Stepless dimming. Mobile charging. Light is soft. Cool natural colors. Remote control. Here's the basic stuff. Here's what it looks like. Looks pretty sweet. Alright, let's take a look inside and see how this looks now. Well, everyone's getting these now more, so you might want to grab them now before you can, before they sell out. This would be good for, you know, Zoom, any kind of meetings you do, all your live vlogs from TikTok, Twitch, Instagram, Facebook Live, Snapchat, all those good stuff. This is the one you're gonna need. Oh wow, this is a nice one. Alright, just take it out. Nice and easy. Box is empty. Here we go. Put that to the side. There we are. Now this must be the tripod. Keep that there for now. Let's take a look at the... Actually, it is already open. See? Tripod. Don't need that anymore. Oh wow. Really nice quality tripod too. Should be easy to pull apart, and a lot of switches there. Alright, keep that to the side. Now let's take a look at the main course. Oh boy. We got the bag full. We got a controller, tripod stand, more stuff right there. So I'm gonna have to take a look at this. Set this up the right way. Oh boy. Look at this. Alright. USB, power charge. That's where the main course is, probably the main brain. Here's the lights. We got the cords right here. Plug it in. One by one. There's that one. It's a pretty sweet design. Kind of like a half moon. Pretty cool there. Set it gently. And here's the other one. Yeah, this is nice quality. Dang. Put that one over there. To remove that. Okay, now I gotta put it together. I'll pause right now, and then once I get this out of the bag, I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then pause again and hook it up, and then show you step by step. Be right back. Alright, got everything all laid out right now. Tripod, these things, the stands, the lights, the main brain, the remote control. The remote control, you're going to need 2 AAA batteries, so you might want to stock up on those. Also. Just 2 AAAs it takes, so you might want to buy the Amazon basic ones. And then that one, there's a power cord. It's pretty long for the power cord. So, alright, next up, we're going to mount that, set that up. I'm going to take a brief read at the instructions. And then, like I said, once I get that situated, I'll show you where I'm at in about 30 seconds. Alright guys, I got it going. I'll stand up. Right here, all you got to do is twist these to make it tight. This one at the bottom. Then if you want, depends on how high you're shooting, you can move these up. And then, so I'm going to like it right here. Just twist. Sure, it's pretty good. Right here is fine. I'm going to keep it at this. And then you can raise this up a little bit more. Alright, got it locked in. There we go. So, kind of looks like a pool stick. Right there, all the way down. Or a rocket. Bada boom. And then now I gotta put that on. And then figure out where those go. It'll be 1 sec. Alright, that little blank piece on top, it needs to come off. Unscrew it. And then you're gonna line it up with this little guy right there. That hole. Just put it on tippity top. Kind of like a tree ornament. And then let it work itself in, or just twist it around. I'm going to twist it around. Hold on. Alright guys, we got it this far. We got the power plug. And we got the stands for these lights. All you got to do is connect that silver part. Slide it into there. And that'll be next. And then you just got to plug it in one side and plug it in that side. And then next we'll have the power. Alright guys, we got it set up. We got it plugged in right there. Those plugged right from this wire all the way to there. And we got the blue part hooked up. And it connects this ring all the way around. Same with that one. Power. Just gotta hit the switch. Hopefully this. Ooh. Whoa. These are nice, bright. Like I said, it comes with the remote. And this coming from, it's right on top right there. Whoa. Gonna turn off that light. Alexa, turn off computer light.
Light isn't responding. Please check its network connection and power supply.
Alexa, turn off computer light.
Okay.
There it goes. Now we got this light. Look at that. It's super bright. Tweak it down. Oh, that's nice. Easy to use. Right. 100%. 50%. Boom. White. Yellow. Whoa. And then white and yellow. That's pretty sweet. So if you guys want to get these ring lights, click the link down below. Check them out. Easy to use. For the tablets and cell phones, all you gotta do is unscrew these and then use this to mount your phone in. So this, like, take one of these out. Hopefully this don't fall. Oh jeez, there we go. I knew that was gonna happen. What I gotta do is twist this out. And put it through these holes wherever you're gonna mount your phone. I'm just not gonna mount the phone today. I have no use right now for it, but that's an option you can have, or just use that as a normal ring light. Check them out. Link is gonna be down below. Easy to put together. You guys be safe. Have a great night, and see you soon. Almost forgot to mention that you could take these and move them in. This is really cool. Look at that. So I just want to add that into the video also, in case I forgot. But really nice, guys. Check that out. Boom. And this is 360 that moves. And like I said, you can probably put your tablet in the middle somewhere like it shows. Like that. There's a spot for that, so you probably take one of those. I'll show you. Might as well make it a little bit longer. Kind of like a teleprompter in a way. There we go. That's cool. So like I said, you could do that for the other ones. Oh, there's a side knob. Ooh. I didn't know that. Look at that. Look at this switcheroo. That's pretty cool. Alright. See? Really nice. Definitely had to add that in. It's a nice little bonus. And then you can charge USB, all that good stuff right there. You can charge it up while this thing is rolling. Alright guys, be safe. Have a good one. See ya.